Yesterday, we have seen the morphology of testes. As all of you know, the testes are the primary sex organ or male gonad. Now, these testes, they are located or they are present in a pouch of skin that is called as the scrotum. Now, in early fetal life, the testes are developed or testes are formed in the lower abdominal cavity just below the kidney. Now, this testis is connected to the wall of scrotum by a fibromuscular band that is called as the gubernaculum. Now, in some cases, if the failure of testis to descend into the scrotum, now to create the condition, now that is called as the cryptokyotism, which causes the sterility in male. Now, today we will study the histology of testes or transverse section of testes or internal structure of testes. Now listen here. Now the testis is externally covered by a collagenous connective tissue covering or layer that is called as the tunica albuginea. Now, outer to the tunica albuginea, a presence of a covering that is called as the tunica vaginalis. Inner to the tunica albuginea, presence of a thin layer. Now, this thin layer that is called as the tunica vasculosum, or which is also called as the tunica vascularis. Internally, this tunica albuginea, now which can be divided into the 200 to 300 compartment that is called as the lobules. Now each lobules which containing 1 to 4 highly coiled seminiferous tubules. Yes, what are these? Each lobules which containing 1 to 4 seminiferous tubules. Now each seminiferous tubules is internally lined by two types of cell. Now the small cell, now they are called as cuboidal germinal epithelium, and larger pyramidal cell, now that is called as the Sertoli cells. Now germinal epithelial cells, now they undergoes gametogenesis and to form the spermatozoa or sperms. Yes, what are the functions of these germinal epithelial cells? Germinal epithelial cells undergoes gametogenesis or undergoes spermatogenesis and to develop or to form the spermatozoa, or they are also called as the sperms. Then these Sertoli cells, now these are the pyramidal cells, and these Sertoli cells, they are also called as the sus tentacular cells. Now they provide nourishment to the developing spermatozoa. Now in each seminiferous tubules, there are different or various stages of development of spermatogenesis or spermatozoa can be seen. Different stages. Which are these? Now that is the spermatogonial cell, then primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, spermatids and sperms. Now in between seminiferous tubules there are presence of connective tissue, blood vessel and a group of small cells. Now they are called as the interstitial cells. Now these interstitial cells, they are also called as Leydig cells. Now interstitial cells, now which secretes the male sex hormone, that is called as the testosterone, or they are also called as the androgen. Once again, now what is the histology of testes? Listen here. Now the testis is externally covered by a covering, that is a connective tissue covering, that is called as the albuginea. Now outer to the tunica albuginea there is presence of a layer or covering, that is called as the tunica vaginalis. Then inner to the tunica albuginea there is presence of another thin covering, that is known as the tunica vasculosa. Then internally tunica albuginea, which can be divided into 200 to 300 testicular lobules. Now internal structure. Now these such types of lobules, each lobules containing 1 to 4 highly coiled seminiferous tubules. Now seminiferous tubules are the structural and functional unit of the testis. Internally, each seminiferous tubules is lined by the two types of cell, the smaller cuboidal germinal epithelial cells and larger now pyramidal cell, that is called as the Sertoli cell. Then these germinal epithelial cells undergoes gametogenesis and to form the spermatozoa. Now these Sertoli cell which provide the nourishment to developing the spermatozoa or to the sperms. Now in between seminiferous tubule there are presence of connective tissue, blood vessel and small group of cell, that is called as the interstitial cell, or they are also called as the Leydig cells. Now these interstitial cell which secretes the male sex hormone, that is called as the testosterone, or which is also called as the androgen. Now that is the structures of the histology of testes.